The dog days of summer are coming, and I've got a delicious and refreshing way for you to cool off. A delicious summer cocktail. What can be better than that? This cocktail actually was created here in Washington, D.C., where we taped the show. And that's why I wanted to make it, okay? It's called a Ricky, a gin Ricky to be specific. And it was created back in the 1800s. It's a pretty cool story. Originally started with bourbon, then really took off when the bartender decided to do gin instead. And it is simple and it's delicious, and you're gonna wanna share it with your friends. And I'm gonna put my own little twist on it, just for you. This is my own little creation. I was so excited about this. These are lime-infused ice cubes. All I did was slice up some lime, then covered them with the water in the ice cube trays. 24 hours later, this is what you have. Isn't that cute? Nice little take on it. Also, I have a lime that is the trademark, and obviously, because it's a gin Ricky, we have some gin. This is from a distillery right here in DC. I'm proud to use it, support all of our local businesses. This is Green Hat Gin, a really good gin. And of course, you're gonna need some club soda to top it all off. If you don't have club soda on hand, use some sparkling water. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. Like I said, just make sure you're using the good stuff for your cocktail, because you wanna be impressed, right? If you're gonna have a cocktail, it has to be worth it. That's my thought process with desserts and drinks. It really has to be good. I'm not gonna waste my time and calories if it's just average, right? You're really gonna wanna be generous with the ice to fill that up, and then as the ice melts, those limes will continue to infuse your drink. We're gonna use about 2 ounces, 1.5 to 2 ounces of gin, maybe a little more, just for fun, because we can. I'm gonna throw that in there. Delicious. And we're gonna give our lime a little slice. I'm gonna use my little citrus squeezer to get that in there. Please don't go buy that little container that looks like a lime, that plastic container. It's not gonna do your drink any justice. You really want the good thing. I have a good friend who's a bartender, and he said they squeeze the lime in there and they just drop it down in the drink. That is trademark. And then you're gonna top it off with your club soda. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm just gonna use my straw here to give it a little mix. Nothing too fancy. And just to make it extra pretty, because we can, I'm gonna go ahead and garnish with the lime right there too. Check it out. This is Washington, D.C.'s trademark drink. If you ever come to D.C., you gotta make sure you stop in one of the bars and ask for a Ricky, a gin Ricky to be precise. A good cocktail. Go make this for your friends, enjoy it. It's easy, it's simple, it's delicious, and it's all DC, my second home. Thanks for checking in with me today. I'll see you next time.